guys, it's the level crossing guy at Pevensey Westham Station level crossing in East Sussex. We're doing the intro at Pevensey Westham Station level crossing. This crossing has LEDs and the bows are really cool, isn't it? And it's got a nice alarm. And there's a train station over here, okay? And it's got a keep crossing clear sign. And the name Pevensey Westham, that's correct. And there is a camera on that side over here. And you see the sign, the station sign, it's got the name of the level crossing. And these ones like that, on the level crossing, this might be the camera. To show the signal when the lights are still working, I'm guessing. I don't know who put that there, it might be a Network Wales. So, you see, warning, do not trespass on the railway. Plenty, £1,000 only. Yeah, £1,000 if you keep on misuse the crossing. Hope you enjoy and like and subscribe.